Setting up pages. In this lecture, we're gonna set up our pages. Click on your Visit Site button. Okay, we are going to create submenus under the Shop tab, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Click on Customize. Okay, it's loading. And now you must click on Menus. Double click to click twice, and click twice again. And now I'm gonna add items from the product categories that we have just set up in the first lecture. So I'm gonna select jackets, and I'm gonna drag it a little bit to the right so it becomes a submenu. And the last one is our shirts. Okay, I will publish this, and okay, I will exit, and we will take a look at our site. Okay, that's great. We have submenus created. That's great. In the other lectures, we are going to add products to those pages. So we're gonna create a really professional web shop. Okay, I navigate to the home again, and I will see you soon.